1361, which is a 2-bedroom suite in Endless Summer Dockside.
Hello.
Oh, there's a pandy here.
Hey, pandy game.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I do.
And I don't know what you want me to show you. Right, we have a fridge which is fully stocked, as you can see, a microwave. So we've got with us kitchen towel, washing up liquid, kitchen sponge and tea towels. And then what I do is I put either a tea towel or kitchen roll just by there so I can do the dishes. We've also got cereal with us that we normally keep up there. But there are bowls that they have here. I just find them so tiny that they're no use at all, so I bring my own bowls. You'll find that in here is cutlery, but they're no use because they're plastic and they're tiny. So I usually go downstairs and take knives, forks and spoons, and then we use those during our stay and then leave them there. So, hi guys, a full length mirror there. You okay, Pandy?
I'm going to.
All right.
Not the bed that closer, so
Thank you. Here we have USB port and 2 plug sockets. You're moving that very, very close, Pandy. I would. This doesn't open. I keep saying it every time. It doesn't open. And then you have these here, which are brilliant overhead lamps. What's our view like, Pan?
It's raining.
Oh, view is raining. That's no good for a view.
The car park.
Oh yes.
What did we do before we?
No, we haven't. So we're on floor
we are,
3.
but we low down.
Yeah, we are low down.
So.
Oh my gosh, we've got.
It's fun stop up there. Fun stop, is there something like that?
Yeah, fun stop. The Red Lobster I can see. Congo River. Ah, right. 4 Points is there.
Yes, we normally here, but we normally are like.
We normally
410 or
yeah,
whatever.
You can see the horrible rain. I know. So I can see us going over to Murphy's tonight.
What?
Okay, I take that back. So yes, and then here you have another USB and some plugs, another 2 plug sockets. Here you have another USB, another 2 plug sockets. This is where I normally set up my computer, which is a really good area to do that. As I've shown you, there are condiments. Condiments in here have, they have the dried milk and the sugar and a stirrer and a napkin. That's what's normally in there. And then you have the coffee there for the coffee machine. This is Kai's, so it wasn't here before. And then you have lots of towels. We have 6 towels because this room sleeps up to 6, even though there's 4 of us. Hair dryer here, which is pretty powerful normally. Yeah. And here we find that our hair dryer doesn't work from back home, but our hair straighteners do. And then we've got the soap and facial tissues, some hand towels, some flannels, and then in here is the bathroom. So we have toilet paper, a spare toilet paper, waste paper bin. This is, I'm pretty sure, soft closing. Let's see. Yes, yeah, I love soft closing toilets. The Premier Inn was a soft closing toilet last night, so that made me happy. There's a shower there, and then there's shampoo, conditioner and soap, which is replenished daily normally. And there's a bathtub, and then there's hooks on the bottom of the door, and then the bedroom then, which is here. You have the bed, which has been laid on by the kids. and by the side of each bedroom is the lamps and also a USB port, and then also underneath is a plug socket, which is obviously American, a TV, another lamp over here, and some hooks to hang your stuff on. There's also a safe here, which we always use, and then it's the same thing over here. So there you go, and there's a puffy as well in the corner. Same view as I've just shown you. The air conditioning is in here, but the controls are in the other room. There's also another plug socket there. Inside the wardrobe, extra pillows up there, and wardrobe space, an iron and an ironing board. So pretty sure that's all I've got to show you, and that is a 2-bedroom suite in Dockside. So are you guys happy?
Yes, they're happy.
Yes, the guys are happy. We're all happy and looking forward to the next 10 days here. Thank you for watching.